In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize branding in Docusign Esignature. Customizing your branding in Docusign can give your signers a more professional and cohesive experience that resonates with your organization's identity. Let's dive into the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the official Docusign address. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage, which highlights DocuSign's features as the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. You'll find a login button prominently located at the top of the page. Click on that to proceed. Once you're logged into your DocuSign account, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign homepage. This is your headquarters for managing all your electronic agreements. From here, locate and click on the admin option. This will take you to the administrative dashboard where you have access to a variety of tools that help you manage your account more effectively. On the admin dashboard, look for the option labeled branding. Clicking on branding brings you directly to the area where all the magic happens. This section enables you to customize the appearance of the emails and other templates that your recipients will see. Ensuring your branding is consistent across all communications not only looks professional, but can also enhance trust and familiarity with your clients. Once you are in the branding section, you have several customization options available. You can upload your logo, which will appear on messages and notifications sent from DocuSign. Make sure to use a high quality image that reflects your brand accurately. You'll want this logo to be in a clear format, typically a PNG or JPEG file, and following the dimensions recommended by DocuSign. Next, choose the colors that best represent your brand. This includes setting header and accent colors that align with your company's primary and secondary colors. Keeping colors consistent with your brand helps maintain a seamless experience for those interacting with your documents. The branding section also allows you to customize font styles. Selecting a font that reflects your brand's personality while ensuring readability is key. DocuSign provides a good range of options, so take a moment to see which one fits best with your messaging style. Once you've made all these changes, don't forget to save your settings. It's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself to see how everything looks to your recipients. By customizing your branding in DocuSign, not only do you elevate your document's professionalism, but you also help reinforce brand awareness every time someone interacts with your agreements. Now that you've customized your branding, your DocuSign communications will look polished and aligned with your company's identity. That brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember, a consistent brand image does wonders in building trust and recognition. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy customizing!